So we are in Rizal, Palawan. We had a beautiful site here. It's K2 Catering, a venue for lodging, for training, for meals. It's just a spectacular place. TLI is here strengthening the church in the Philippines. God is working, the kingdom's coming, but the pastors have not been trained to accurately handle the word of truth. And so we have a 9-course program over 3 years. And these pastors come in, leaders come in from all over the country, 5 hours away, Brooks Point 3 hours away, in Nara, an hour away, in Quezon. They come, spend a week to be trained. And so we have a team of 7. We're in course 3. We're going through the genre of narrative and law in Genesis and Exodus. And it's just been a marvelous time. Our team here is about 40 or so pastors and leaders, 25 to 30 men, 10 to 15 women. It's been a joy, and we're 1 year into it. We're looking forward to what God is going to do in these next 2 years.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Training Leaders International, sa TLI, sa kanilang pagtugon sa mensahe ng Diyos, katugunan bilang panalangin namin. Ang mga kakasamahan namin dito ay mga pastors at mga church leaders sa iba't ibang iglesia na nasasakupan karamihan ng CBAP Philippines. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sapagkat ito ay nasimulan at maraming nakadalo na mga kamanggagawa. At kasalukuyan kami ay nasa 1 taon na ng pagsasanay. Kaya kami ay nagpapasalamat sa impact na dala nito hindi lamang sa aming buhay, sa aming relasyon sa Panginoon, kundi sa aming mga nasasakupang mga iglesia. Kaya salamat at Training Leaders International.
It became more clearer for me as one of the worker in the vineyard of the Lord. It increased my passion, burden, love for the lost, and to carry this message to my people and to the pastors that are not able to attend in this seminar. Thank you very much for the investment, for the time, for the money that you have spent in order that the team of TLI will be able to come in our island. Thank you very much.
Inaasahan ko na muli sa susunod na pagkakataon sa March ay muli akong makapagdalo at ng TLI Course 4 at ang aking pong hangarin ay maibahagi ito sa iba at sa ganon ay mas marami pang mga faithful na mga tao sa iglesia, na mga kapatiran na maibahagi sa kanila ang kaalamang ito na ibinahagi din sa amin ng mga ipinadala dito ng Diyos, ng TLI team at naging pagpapala po hindi lamang sa akin, hindi lamang sa marami, kundi sa amin lahat.
We want to encourage you to pray. Certainly, we would love for you to partner with us, to come, enjoy the work of the ministry, let God use you in a very beautiful and unique setting.
So you are that we love. I throw my hands up.